Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the gang. So today's video, we're basically going to be completing 2025 sewing project. I really want to start a new sewing year. It's February already. I know I'm late, but better late than never. Yeah, that's the saying. So anyways, I really want to complete my 2025 sewing project so that we can officially kick off 2026 sewing project. So anyways, I have a couple of archives that I was working on. I've actually cut them, I've ironed, but I've not sewn. So we're going to be doing the sewing part, and at the end of the video I'm going to be trying it on and showing you guys the outcome. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out really good. So anyways, if you want to see all that, stay tuned and let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to be filming this part of the video before my intro. So yeah, I'm going to be, as you guys already know, I'm trying to complete all my 2025 sewing projects. I feel like I have a couple of clothes that are already cut, already ironed, but have not been sewn. So yeah, this is the sewing part of the video, and I'm so happy you guys are going to see the process and every single thing. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to be starting off with this orange beautiful linen piece. I'm so excited for what I'm making with this particular fabric, and let's just jump right into it. Stay tuned. So a little update, guys. So I'm going to be, this is actually a set. So I'm going to be making the skirt first. Because it's a lot more straightforward. The top has a lot of details that I'm going to be adding. So I feel like, let me get the skirt over first, because the skirt is very simple. It's just a skirt, like, sort of a straight skirt. So we're going to get that started first and finished first. Then I'm just going to jump right into the top. So that's the update. Let's go. Don't say you're down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you're down. You gotta stand up and fight. So quick update, guys. I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm using this burnt orange lining. So I really didn't want to use like this shade of orange for my lining, because I love how the burnt orange blocks the color. I love how it absorbs the color. It doesn't reflect. So it's kind of like when I just attached the lining to the skirt, because I want the lining to make it a bit sturdy. So I love how the orange just blocks the color of the bright orange. So the mismatched lining was actually very intentional. So I'm just going to iron this. This is the first piece. This is the second piece. So I'm going to iron it, because I'm thinking of adding a side zip. I don't think I want to do a back zip. I'm going to do a side zip because I just want the back to be, I don't want any detail to be there. So yeah. Let me iron this and I'll be right back. This is what the skirt looks like. It's very cutesy, but trying it on now, I just remembered why I have a whole lot of allowance. It was actually meant to come with a dart, and I don't know. I skipped that part. That's why it's always good to always make the outfit immediately after cutting it, because whilst if you saw it months, like I this outfit I think I cut it like so many months ago. And it's finally coming to bite me in the butt, because now I'm trying to decide. I love adding like a simple dart to my skirt to avoid a lot of foldings. Or I don't know, I feel like it looks good. It does, but then again, do I want it without a dart? Am I going to? Because it's ready, like it's done. I just need to finish up the zip area, like I'm done. I love how it fits, but I don't know if I like this. But I also don't know if I want to start all over again. So I don't know. I'll let you guys know at the end. But it's not looking like I will. I feel like it looks good. It looks perfect, and the top is going to come down. So I don't know. Hey guys, so this is another day. The last time I worked on this project was on Monday, and today is Thursday. I've had such a busy week, but I'm ready to get back into it. So the skirt is ready. The skirt is ready. I have a little bit of an issue with the skirt. I'm going to show you guys later, but it's not the skirt actually, it's more of a I'm going to explain later when I try it on. So I'm just going to jump right into the top, and we'll see how that goes. So I just wanted to just say something before I get to work. Let's go. So hey guys, so we're making progress. I just came to give you a bit progress report. So for the top, I'm done joining the lining together with the front piece. So I have my front piece and I have my back piece. So I'm just going to iron, and we're basically almost done with the tops. Even though I need to make panels, and I need to make strings. So that should be very quick. So I just came to give you a little progress report, and I'm going to jump right back into sewing.